What's happening, folks? Back with another reaction, back with some more Flock of Seagulls. And we're going to listen to a tune I think is the first of a few bonus tracks included in the expanded folder for the 1983 album Listen. Once again, shout out to Han Solo. And the track is called, Quicksand. I was wondering if there was like another word to the phrase, but no, it's just Quicksand. So, as a concept, everybody is familiar, as a kid even, there are cartoons where characters are getting pulled down and you have to throw them a rope and so on. So, as a metaphor, I suppose it speaks to any quagmire of a situation in which you feel like not only are you sinking to potential, lethal peril, but the more you move to try to, save yourself, the more you end up sinking down. So there's a number of, I think, very prominent ways you could use this as a metaphor for a personal situation, for a social situation. I feel like it lends itself quite well to a number of figurative avenues, but obviously the specific nature, as Luca is like chewing on the dust cover for one of my turntable dust covers. So thank you, Luca, for doing that. Ultimately, I feel like it's apt as a metaphor, but it could go many different ways, so let's find out. Let's see if Luca wants to come up. I think she might. Indeed, she does. So let's get to it. This is Flock of Seagulls. We'll wait till she sits down. Yeah, you comfortable? You good? I think so. So here we go. A Flock of Seagulls, a bonus tune included in an expanded folder for the 1983 album Listen, and it's called Quicksand. Reminds me of Foxy Lady. It's a bit more rock, it feels like. It's a bit heavier is I guess what I'm saying. On the guitar, yeah? Stop holding my hand, is that what it is? So it's like, you're trying to help, but, you're the one who's going to suffer for that. Hello. Got a lot of power and bite this one. Not that there haven't been some songs of theirs which had energy and some kinetic power, but this feels, like I said, a bit more clenched fist, a bit, not stadium rock, but on the path in that direction. Like the graveyard feel of that guitar chord sliding, if that's what that is. The bass it's got a little bit of funk to it. not gonna headbang, but like, I feel like we're on that level. I don't know what the song's about, but other than the imagery that did apply to Quicksand. But I love it. It's awesome. But not without, you know, the electronic atmosphere still. So yeah, it felt a bit more rock, a bit heavier than a number of the other tunes. It still had the synth layer, and again, there were some really interesting, I think, you know, guitar playing tricks and techniques that lent the same atmospheric quality to the track. So yeah, it felt like a Flock of Seagulls tune, but as I said, with a bit more edge, a bit more bite, and a bit more power. So yeah, I don't know exactly how many more bonus tunes there are. I know there's at least a few more though. So once again, shout out to Han Solo. Looking forward to hearing more. Do let me know what you think of this one. Yeah, like I said, this one in a way feels in the vein that I've come to expect or understand from their work, but perhaps a bit down a bit of a side path that I don't remember them doing on this like level or with this intensity before. So do let me know what you think. Luca and I will see you next time. Peace. As she bites my hand.